guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. So today I am doing something completely different over here on my channel and I am so excited for this. I can't even stand it. So I am doing a fall decor haul 2020 and I actually just got back from Hobby Lobby. I'm so excited, you guys. This is actually going to be the first time we decorate for fall here in this house. We bought the house back in last October, and by the time we got sort of like unpacked and ready to decorate, it was like almost November or maybe even like mid-November. And I figured we might as well just skip fall and go right into Christmas because I didn't want to have to decorate for fall and then take it down like 2 weeks later and decorate for Christmas. So we skipped fall altogether in this house last year. So I am even more excited to decorate for fall in this house for the first time, and I'm definitely bringing you guys along with me. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to try and share where I have plans to put it. That may not be where it ends up, but we will see how that goes when I actually get into decorating. So let's go ahead and get into it. But first, if you guys are new to my channel, first of all, welcome. I think you're going to truly enjoy today's video, but make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss anything new, especially now that we are getting into the holiday season. This is my favorite time of year. I love sharing these videos with you guys. Decorating for all of the holidays is absolutely one of my favorite things to do. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss any of that good stuff. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you actually get notified. But anyways, let's just get right into it and I'll show you guys what I picked up. Okay, so I have a hard time going into Hobby Lobby sometimes because I just get so overwhelmed with what I want to do with some of the stuff that's in there, and I usually end up walking out empty-handed. But this time I went in with a game plan. I also went in with an open mind, but I had some ideas and a new color scheme that I wanted to try and incorporate in decorating this year. So this is by far one of my most successful trips to Hobby Lobby. It was definitely budget friendly and I'm just super excited about this. So I'm gonna start with this back here. So I got this piece here and it just says thankful, grateful, and blessed. This actually is not for me. I actually bought this as a gift for my mother-in-law. She's been super helpful watching the boys recently. I just started working, so I thought I would gift this to her. She loves decorating for fall and I kind of thought this would look good in her office. So this is not for me, but I wanted to throw this in here because I thought it was just so pretty. I might actually go back for one of these and stick it next to my entertainment center. Now that I'm actually looking at it, it will look really cute over there. So I might actually go back for one for myself. And just so you guys know, right now, everything is 40% off at Hobby Lobby for all of their fall stuff. So it was definitely affordable. But this is super cute. Okay, so next, I think this is gonna be a really popular item this year, but it is just a metal, like tiered tray. This was so cute. I have an idea for this. I'm just not exactly like positive where it's gonna end up, but I bought some little greenery to go in it as well, and I already have some pumpkins, small pumpkins that I got from Target a couple years ago that I'm going to decorate this with. This might actually go in our bathroom, and honestly, you guys, this is a fall item, but you can use this year round. So that's why I also picked this up, is I might just leave it in our bathroom year round and decorate it seasonally as we go. So this is one of my favorite items that I found. Super cute. And then just so you know, it's normally $13.99 and it's 40% off of this. So that's a steal. And then next, so the color scheme that I am going with this year is I'm gonna add a lot of more neutral tones, which I already have from previous years, but I wanted to add like little pops of green, and I think that is just so pretty. It's very peaceful and I love it. So they have this little pack of pumpkins, and it's got some greenery, which I have plans for already. And I just thought this was a really beautiful pack of pumpkins with some very neutral toned colors. So I thought this was perfect. And then these are the 2 stems that I got for the tiered tray. I'm not sure if it's gonna go sit on the bottom or the top, but I thought this was really cute, and these also were 40% off, so I thought that was a good find. Okay, so next, I'm a sucker for wooden signs. So I got this one, which I thought worked perfect because it is green and it just says gather. So this might actually go on my entertainment center, or it'll go on my tiered tray that I have in the kitchen, but I thought this was so pretty. This actually might not be new. I'm pretty sure they had this last year, but I really like this. And then the other one is this one here. I'm pretty sure this is not new either. I think this is from last year as well, but it just says fall, sweet fall. And I thought that was really cute. So next I actually picked up these little houses. I thought they were so pretty, and they're actually salt and pepper shakers, but I'm gonna put these on my tiered tray because I think it would just be so pretty on there. They were also 40% off, and so I just really like this. And this can also go year round, and so once Christmas comes around, I might put it away for a bit and then bring it back in the spring, but we'll see. But yeah, I thought that would be really pretty. Okay, so next it is just a glass pumpkin dish, and on the inside it says blessed. This, I am pretty sure I'm going to put it on my tiered tray if it fits. If not, I think I'm going to put it next to the stove. We'll see. But I thought it was really pretty. And then it has like a distressed look on the inside of it, so it's super cute. Okay, so next, these are actually 2 separate items. I have always wanted like a, I don't know what you call this, like a tin can, like that looks like a watering tin. I don't know, help me out you guys, what are these called? But I've always wanted these to actually switch out for the flowers on the inside. So I got this, and then I thought these would be perfect for the fall season. It looks like little haystacks, and so I'm just going to be putting these inside the jar like this and call it a day. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this yet, but it is probably going to be sitting in the kitchen. I'm super excited about this. This is one of the things I was most excited for, but yeah. I also found this, and I think I'm going to be putting this around here, and it has the green colors, which I love, and then it just says gather on the little wooden sign. I loved this, you guys. This is so pretty. The green on it is just gorgeous. So that's my plan for that. Apparently I have a theme going around here. This also says gather. I did not think that through, but this is gonna hang over next to my coffee area because I do have a galvanized sign over there that I wanted to incorporate and keep with the kitchen. So this I thought was super beautiful. It's very neutral tone, and that's what I love about it. So that's my plan for this. And then last but not least, you guys can kind of see it, is this wooden sign here. You guys, I know exactly where this is gonna go, and I'm super excited about it. This is going on my entertainment center, and I struggle with my entertainment center because of the height. I can't have anything sitting there too tall because it'll be in the view of the TV, and I also want it to look even. So this is gonna be absolutely perfect there, and I'm just so excited for it. I cannot wait to decorate. So my plan is to sit this in the center, like center it on my entertainment center, and then probably put maybe pumpkins or something on the side of it. So I'm so excited for this. I cannot wait to put it up. This was perfect. I'm so glad I found it. But all right, you guys, that is all I picked up from Hobby Lobby today. I have just a few more things that I have on my list to try and find. I kept this year very minimal, or as much as I could, because I didn't want to be spending too much. So other than this stuff here that I picked up, I'll probably be getting pillows for this room, and I do want to get a couple pillows for our bedroom, just to kind of keep it festive. And then I do want to find longer stems of these so I can put in my galvanized pails here in the living room. And other than that, I don't think I have anything else planned, but something else might come up. But yeah, that is going to be my Hobby Lobby haul for fall 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it gave you some ideas on what to pick up for yourselves. If you guys are looking for any, make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss anything new. I cannot wait to start decorating, and those videos are going to be coming very, very soon, so stay tuned. I will be doing a Undecorate With Me if it's not already up, and then I will probably be starting my Decorate series very, very soon. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss any of that. As you can tell, I am so, so excited. So anyways, I will catch you guys in our next video. Bye!